What if I told you there's a single investment that could generate $97,000 in annual passive income, and it's been hiding in plain sight while everyone's chasing the next crypto moonshot or getting swept up in artificial intelligence hysteria? Today I'm going to show you exactly how this works, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why the smartest money on Wall Street has been quietly building positions in what I call the ultimate retirement accelerator. Before we reveal the exact calculations, do me a favor and hit like if you want more content that shows real paths to financial freedom. And subscribe because what I'm about to show you is just the beginning. But first, let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah is a 35-year-old high school teacher from Ohio. Like most Americans, she was told to max out her 401k, work for 40 years, and hope she'd have enough to retire comfortably at 65. The problem is, Sarah did the math. At her current savings rate, she'd need to work until she was 72 just to maintain her current lifestyle in retirement. That's when Sarah discovered something that completely changed her financial trajectory. And it's the same discovery that could transform your retirement timeline too. Here's the thing that nobody talks about in the financial media. While everyone was obsessing over Nvidia's 800% gains and getting caught up in the latest market frenzy, there was a quiet wealth-building machine that was doing something far more powerful. It was creating sustainable, growing income streams that could literally replace your salary. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or the latest investment fad. This is about building real, lasting wealth through one of the most fundamentally sound strategies in investing history. The investment I'm talking about is SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Now, before you roll your eyes and think this is just another boring dividend stock video, let me show you why this particular fund has become the foundation of my early retirement strategy and why it should probably be the foundation of yours too. SCHD isn't just any dividend fund. It's a carefully constructed portfolio of 100 high-quality dividend-paying companies that have been selected through a rigorous algorithm that focuses on financial strength, dividend sustainability, and growth potential. What makes SCHD truly special is how it performed during one of the most challenging market environments we've seen in decades. Let me paint you a picture of what happened in 2022. The stock market was in freefall. The S&P 500 dropped 20%. Technology stocks, the darlings of the previous decade, were getting absolutely crushed. Nvidia, the same stock everyone was celebrating for its massive gains, was down 75% at one point during that year. CrowdStrike fell more than 60%. AMD dropped over 50%. Meta, now one of the most valuable companies in the world, lost more than half its value. But here's where the story gets interesting. While these high-flying tech stocks were crashing and burning, while growth investors were watching their portfolios get decimated, SCHD holders were sleeping peacefully at night. Why? Because SCHD was essentially flat for the year, down only 3% while everything else was in chaos. This is the power of owning a diversified portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying companies. When the market panics, these businesses keep generating cash flow, keep paying dividends, and keep providing stability in your portfolio. Now, I want to be completely transparent with you about SCHD's recent performance, because honesty is crucial when we're talking about your financial future. In 2023 and 2024, SCHD underperformed the broader market. The S&P 500 had exceptional years, driven primarily by the Magnificent 7 technology stocks. If you were heavily invested in technology during those years, you probably outperformed SCHD significantly. But here's what the short-term focused investors miss. Investing isn't about winning every single year. It's about building sustainable long-term wealth that can weather any storm. Let me give you some perspective on SCHD's long-term track record. Over the past 10 years, prior to the tech boom of 2023 and 2024, SCHD returned 262% compared to the S&P 500's return of 224%. Think about that for a moment. SCHD didn't just keep pace with the broader market, it actually outperformed while providing significantly higher dividend income and much lower volatility. This brings me to one of the most important concepts in building wealth: balance and diversification. SCHD's current sector allocation is fascinating because it shows you exactly why this fund provides such stability. Consumer staples make up the largest portion, followed by energy, healthcare, industrials, and then technology. Notice that technology, the sector that dominated returns in recent years, makes up a relatively small portion of SCHD. This is actually a feature, not a bug. Here's why this balance is so crucial for your long-term wealth building. When you look at SCHD's sector breakdown, you're seeing companies that provide essential goods and services. These are businesses that people need regardless of economic conditions. Utility companies that provide electricity. Consumer staples companies that make the products we buy every week at the grocery store. Healthcare companies that provide essential medical services. These businesses generate consistent cash flows that support reliable and growing dividend payments. The magic of SCHD really becomes apparent when you start looking at the dividend growth story. Right now, SCHD provides a 4% dividend yield, which means if you invest $10,000, you'll receive $400 in annual dividend income. But here's where it gets exciting. SCHD has increased its dividend for 13 consecutive years, with a 5-year dividend growth rate of 11.5% annually. Let me show you what this means in real dollars. Remember Sarah, our teacher from the beginning? Let's say Sarah starts with $10,000 and commits to investing $500 per month into SCHD. Using the current dividend yield of 4% and the historical dividend growth rate of 11.5%, here's what Sarah's dividend income could look like over time. In year 10, Sarah would be receiving approximately $18,000 in annual dividend income. That's already a meaningful supplement to her teaching salary. But here's where the compounding really starts to accelerate. In year 15, Sarah's annual dividend income could reach $26,000. In year 20, she could be earning $45,800 annually just from dividends. And by year 25, Sarah could be receiving over $97,000 in annual dividend income. Think about what this means for Sarah's retirement plans. Instead of working until she's 72, Sarah could potentially retire in her 50s or early 60s with a substantial income stream that doesn't depend on her continuing to work. This is the power of dividend growth investing. And this is why SCHD has become such a popular choice among investors who understand the magic of compounding. But let's not stop with Sarah's scenario. Let's explore what happens if you have a larger starting amount or can invest more aggressively. Suppose you begin with $50,000 and continue adding $500 per month. In this scenario, your 20-year annual dividend income could reach approximately $60,000, and by year 25, you could be earning over $121,000 annually in dividends alone. Now, if you're in a position to start with $100,000 and invest $1,000 per month, the numbers become truly life-changing. After 20 years, you could be earning $120,000 annually in dividend income. By year 25, your annual dividend income could reach approximately $243,000. At that level, you're not just financially independent, you're wealthy by any reasonable standard. I want to pause here and address something important. These calculations are based on historical performance and current dividend statistics. Investing always involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Markets fluctuate, dividend growth rates can change, and companies can cut dividends during challenging economic periods. However, SCHD's track record of consistent dividend growth, even through multiple economic cycles, suggests that this strategy has a strong foundation. What makes SCHD particularly attractive compared to other dividend-focused funds is its combination of yield and growth. Let's compare it to two other popular dividend ETFs, VIG and DGRO. VIG currently offers a 1.8% dividend yield with an 11% dividend growth rate. DGRO provides a 2.25% yield with a 7.6% dividend growth rate. While both of these are solid funds, SCHD's 4% yield combined with its 11.5% dividend growth rate creates a more powerful income-generating machine over time. When you run the same $100,000 investment scenario with these three funds over 15 years, the differences become clear. SCHD would generate approximately $20,400 in annual dividend income, while VIG would produce only $8,600, and DGRO would generate about $6,800 annually. The higher starting yield of SCHD, combined with strong dividend growth, creates a compounding effect that becomes more pronounced over time. This is where understanding the total return concept becomes crucial. Dividend investing isn't just about the income you receive, it's also about the potential for share price appreciation. High-quality companies that consistently grow their dividends tend to see their stock prices appreciate over time as well. This creates a dual wealth-building engine, growing income plus growing principal value. One of the most compelling aspects of dividend growth investing is what happens as you approach and enter retirement. Traditional retirement planning focuses heavily on accumulating a large nest egg and then trying to withdraw 4% annually without running out of money. With a substantial dividend portfolio, your approach to retirement changes completely. Instead of worrying about withdrawal rates and sequence of returns risk, you're focused on the growing income stream from your investments. Imagine reaching retirement age with a portfolio generating $97,000 or more in annual dividend income. At that point, you care less about daily market fluctuations because your income continues regardless of whether your portfolio value goes up or down on any given day. The companies in SCHD are businesses that have demonstrated their ability to generate cash flow and pay dividends through various economic conditions. This provides a level of retirement security that's difficult to achieve through traditional accumulation and withdrawal strategies. However, I want to be realistic about the challenges and considerations with this approach. Building significant dividend income takes time and consistent investing. It's not a get-rich-quick strategy, and it requires patience and discipline. You'll have years where your dividend stocks underperform growth stocks, and you'll need to stay focused on your long-term goals rather than getting caught up in short-term performance comparisons. Market conditions will also impact your results. During periods when interest rates are rising, dividend stocks often face headwinds as investors can earn higher yields from bonds and other fixed-income investments. Economic recessions can lead to dividend cuts from some companies, though SCHD's diversified approach and focus on financial strength helps mitigate this risk. The key to success with this strategy is understanding that you're building a business portfolio, not just buying stocks. Each share of SCHD represents ownership in 100 high-quality businesses that generate real profits and return cash to shareholders through dividends. These businesses will continue operating and generating cash flow, regardless of what happens to stock prices in the short term. Another important consideration is tax efficiency. If you're investing in a taxable account, qualified dividends from SCHD are generally taxed at favorable capital gains rates rather than ordinary income rates. However, the tax implications of dividend investing can be complex, especially as your income grows. So it's worth consulting with a tax professional as your dividend income becomes more substantial. For those who are concerned about SCHD's recent underperformance compared to technology-heavy indexes, remember that markets are cyclical. The sectors that lead in one period often lag in the next. Technology stocks had an exceptional run in 2023 and 2024, but this doesn't mean they'll continue outperforming indefinitely. SCHD's diversified approach positions you to benefit from leadership rotation across different sectors of the economy. The beauty of SCHD is that it's designed to be an all-weather investment. Whether we're in a growth market, a value market, a high-interest rate environment, or a low-interest rate environment, the fund's algorithm selects companies that can thrive across various conditions. This is why I consider it a foundational holding rather than a tactical investment. As we wrap up, let me leave you with this thought. Your retirement timeline is largely determined by how quickly you can build an income stream that replaces your salary. Traditional retirement planning might get you there in 30 to 40 years. Strategic dividend growth investing through vehicles like SCHD could potentially get you there in 20 to 25 years or even less, depending on your starting point and contribution rate. The choice is yours. You can continue following the conventional path, hoping that 4 decades of work will provide enough for a comfortable retirement. Or you can start building your dividend income machine today and potentially achieve financial independence years or even decades earlier than you thought possible. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. If this video has opened your eyes to the potential of dividend growth investing and specifically how SCHD could accelerate your path to financial independence, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on building sustainable wealth. Your future self will thank you for the action you take today. The path to early retirement isn't about finding the next hot stock or timing the market perfectly. It's about building a solid foundation of dividend-growing companies and letting time and compounding work their magic. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial freedom unfold.